Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Lock the wipers in the raised position. To do this, switch off the ignition, then press down on the wiper lever. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To remove the blade, put pressure on the stud and simultaneously slide the wiper to the outside. To avoid any damage, put the arm delicately on the windscreen. Before you do this, place a paper towel to protect the glass. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto website and in the link in the description. Take the new blade and install the adapter which corresponds to your model. To put the new one in place, follow the same process that you used to take it off, but in reverse. You will hear a click when the stud slots into place. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Lift up the arm of the windshield wiper. Incline the blade to 90 degrees. To remove the wiper, pull it towards you to release it from its mounting bar, then remove the wiper. Take the new blade. To put the new ones in place, clip them into the housing. Put the wiper arm back. Operation completed.